equation?
Yes.
X squared plus 10x minus plus 9. And then you have to locate A, B, and C, right, Sierra?
Correct.
A, B, and C. A is the leading coefficient for x, which is 1. B is this one, so 10. And C is 9. And C is also the y-intercept, right?
Correct.
Awesome. Okay. So, the quadratic formula. Sierra, would you like to sing it with me?
Yes.
Okay.
X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a.
So again, x equals negative b plus or minus square root
Of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a.
Except for the x.
Huh?
X equals isn't over 2a.
Well, that doesn't matter.
Good.
Okay, so then we plug it in.
Plug it in.
So negative 10 plus or minus the square root 10 squared minus 4a c all over 2a.
Remember, you have to put the x equals in front.
It doesn't matter. I can just put an equals sign right here, and then it still means x equals.
Okay.
Don't get smart with me. Okay, so then 10 squared equals 100. 9 times 1 is still 9, and 9 times 4 is 36. So 36 minus, 100 minus 36 equals 64. Square root of 64. The square root of 64 is 8. Plus or minus negative 10 over 2. Then you do negative 10 plus 8. And
Over 2.
I know, negative 10 minus 8 over 2. These are what x equals. So negative 10 plus 8 equals negative 2 over 2, which is negative 1. Then negative 10 minus 8 equals negative 18 over 2 equals negative 9. So the sum of x equals negative 1 and negative 9. Circle.
What you mean, or?
Or, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
It can mean and.
Okay.
Or, and.
Okay.
Brilliant. And recording?
Yes.
Huh? Okay, Sierra.
Yeah, Chesare.
Now that I've showed you how to do the quadratic formula, do you think you can do it yourself?
I can try.
You're gonna fail miserably.
I know. Okay, so this is A.
Wrong.
Liar! This is B. And this is C.
Question.
Yeah.
When you have a negative b, is it still negative?
Would be negative times a negative, making it a positive.
Yeah.
So rewrite the formula. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So it'll be x equals negative 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 4 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 16. And then it's all over 2 times 2. Okay, so we'll make this x equals 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 8 times 16. No, yeah.
16 times 2 is 30.
36 times 4.
128 over 4.
Oh, I found something.
What would I do?
You forgot a negative on the 16. And
Oh, yep, I did.
it's supposed to be, no, it's 16 plus 128.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, I did negative 4 times. No, I just did a plain 4.
Yeah. No, it's technically negative 4 times 2 times negative
Okay,
16.
fair enough. So I'll just make it.
Yep.
Okay, fair enough. All right. So then, and then 16 plus 128.
144.
Okay. Equals x equals 4 plus or minus square root of 144 over 4. And that is 12. So you have x.
And what do these 4s do?
They divide. They're just a bunch of 4s.
They divide to 1.
Basically, yeah, true. Okay, so you've got,
So all that's left is?
yeah, x equals plus or minus 12.
Good attempt.